Alright guys, we are back out on the field. Gotta do a little bit of flying. I have the UMX Pitts out here today, and as you can see, this UMX Pitts is a rebuild. And that is because I smashed my last Pitts right over here, about straight in front of me, probably about 40 miles an hour straight into the ground, and there wasn't a whole lot left of this thing. So, in new fuselage, I got new wings. You know, a little fix up here and there.
Volume 100.
And we are gonna see if I can actually fly this thing. Me and this plane have a love-hate relationship. It is fun plane to fly. And I crash it a lot. Hopefully though.
Throttle cut on.
Hopefully we can get a flight in. We're gonna see. Little trimming. It's flying really good though. I will have to say, for a complete rebuild, didn't even need that much trimming. Yeah, Pitts, it's back up. Where I always caught myself with this plane is trying to fly inverted, or you know, trying to do some sketchy stuff that I'm very capable of doing in a lot of other airframes, but the UMX Pitts and me just weren't getting along for a little while. Oh, what a cool little plane. Incredible vertical. And it is fast. One thing about the Pitts, it just hauls ass. What are we looking at? We got a minute and a half left. Oh! All right, Pitts. Didn't like that. I don't like tumbling on the ground. What do we got here? She's fine. What we're gonna do, throw another battery in this thing. Now, she probably had plenty of battery left. I had 40 seconds on my 5-minute timer. I wasn't flying it that hard, but just to be safe, I'm gonna take it for another spin.
Volume 100. Throttle cut off. Throttle cut on.
Alright, let's see. Wants me to bind it again.
Binding. DSMX 22 milliseconds. Telemetry. Bind complete.
Alright then. So one thing about me in this plane, as you can see, is she don't like to land for me. Ooh. Seems like with this thing, you have to land so dang fast to keep from stalling. When my turbo timber, that thing, you can land so slowly. It's so agile. Nose cone bumper, a little bit of nose cone bumping. Minute left on the timer. All right. Well, for me, that wasn't a horrible landing in the pits. We'll take that.
Throttle cut off.
All right, guys, another day, another flight. If you guys didn't get a chance to check out the cool videos I posted yesterday of flying a real helicopter out to Point St. George Lighthouse in Crescent City, California, why don't you give that video a look? It's pretty cool. And you guys have a fantastic Labor Day.